Today I'll be showing you how to fix this hashtag images not working on your messages. So this is a very simple tutorial. We're just going to go ahead and get started here. I'll show you the problem and I'll show you how to fix it. So when you go to the plus icon and then you click on hashtag images, this is what happens, and you can't find any images and none of them load. Even if I try and click on one of them, it just says could not share image. So I've been running into this issue ever since I've restored from a time machine backup, and that's mainly how this issue arises. And so we're going to go ahead and fix this. It's very simple. So go ahead and open up a new Finder window, and then you're going to come over to your locations tab and click on the computer name or the laptop name. If you do not see that, you're going to come up here to the Finder, click settings, go to sidebar, and then under locations just check the name, check the box that has the name next to the computer symbol. After that, you should see it. Go ahead and click there, and then so mine is MacBook Air, so I'm going to double click on that, open that up, and then you're going to go into users, and then in users you're going to click your home folder, so double click that, and then library, and then you'll be up here. You're going to scroll down until you see containers and double click that, and then come up here to the images. So inside this folder is where all the corruption has happened. You're just going to need to go ahead and delete this folder. So once you've deleted that, go ahead and clear your trash. Afterwards, you can go back out, close that Finder window, quit messages, and then just reopen it. Once it's reopened, go ahead and click the plus icon, click the hashtag images, and your GIFs and images should load right in. So that is pretty much exactly how you fix this problem. If you ever run into this issue from a time machine backup, just come back to this video and follow this exact procedure, and you should be good to go. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.